In our previous articles, we've talked about the story about Marchi Big Brother, a famous singer involved in blockchain sector, also a faithful supporter of NFT. For a long time, Marchi has made a lot of investments and has been an important influencer in the NFT sector. However, Marchi recently announced that he will quit the NFT sector. Coincidentally, Franklin, another big supporter of NFT, has also quit the NFT sector and sold all of his BAYCs. Everything that happens has a reason. The shift of the attitudes of NFT whales, from push to run away, has been closely related with the decline of the NFT sector. After all, it has become a fact that many blue chips have plummeted and NFT has fallen into a bear market. So today, we will discuss about what has happened to NFT. Is there already a bottom in the NFT market? And what's the future of NFTs? Actually, the fall of the NFT market is not new. Since NFT blue chips reached its peak around August 2021, there have been declines to varying degrees. The reason is largely due to the serious lack of liquidity in the NFT market. In other words, when the number of NFT transactions remains constant, the greater the sales, the better the liquidity. But today, the transaction value, transaction volume and amounts of traders have generally declined by more than 90%. Although the total market cap behind NFT is as high as billions of dollars, unusual cases such as only dozens of active traders and several transactions are frequently seen. Let's take a look at the recent performance of several top blue chips. CryptoPunks is one of the most popular NFTs, with a market cap of $2.4 billion. However, the bear market in the NFT sector this time has taught us a lesson that the market cap is somewhat meaningless when evaluating the performance of NFTs. The highest price in a single CryptoPunks is about 124,000 ETH, and the single-day transaction volume peaked on October 25, 2021, about $550 million. In contrast, its single-day transaction volume on May 15, 2023 was only $14 million, a drop of up to 97% relative to the highest point. In terms of liquidity, the 24-hour liquidity of CryptoPunks is 0.06%, the one-week liquidity is 1.42%, the last 30-day liquidity is 4.27%, the one-year liquidity is 79.23%. Bored Ape Yacht Club, also called BAYC. Its highest market cap occurred on April 22, 2022, at around $4.43 billion. The highest single-day transaction volume of BAYC occurred on April 30, 2022, at around $102 million. The recent single-day transaction volume has seen a drop of 94% compared to the peak. In terms of liquidity, the 24-hour liquidity of BAYC is 0.1%, the one-week liquidity is 0.6%, the recent 30-day liquidity is 3.34%, the one-year liquidity is 109.48%. It should be noted that the plummet of BAYC transaction volume is different from that of CryptoPunks. Although BAYC was also hit hard by the NFT bear market, it can generally keep a cyclical change of fall then rise, while CryptoPunks has only seen slumps after the peak. The peak of Other Deeds market cap occurred on April 30, 2022, at about $1.32 billion. The peak of the single-day trading volume was on May 1, 2022, which was 15,227 NFTs. The lowest single-day trading volume has seen a drop of 99.8% compared to the highest point. The highest amount of traders in a single day of Other Deed was 19,925, May 1, 2022, while the lowest point was only 247, July 22, 2022. In terms of liquidity, Other Deeds' 24-hour liquidity is 0.14%, the 7-day liquidity is 1.1%, the last 30-day liquidity is 5.83%, the last 3-month liquidity is 55.7%. Other Deed is a project of BAYC, so it is expected that there will be no peak after the subscription. The first one, a significant event that shocks the market, that Blur changed the rule of the game. NFT has a large market cap, but there is only a small buyer base and NFTs are always waiting for the highest bid. So, what Blur is doing is boosting liquidity in the NFT market. First, Blur has reduced transaction fees to increase normal liquidity. After that, it established an NFT market-making mechanism through intense trading volume. Such a move can not only increase normal liquidity in the market, but also increase abnormal liquidity. A representative of abnormal liquidity is the crazy sell-offs of some NFT whales, such as Marchi Big Brother and Franklin. Even the smart guys, like Mando, OST, have sold their long-held NFTs at a high price. As NFTs are sold from holders to other holders, the repurchase demand has been on decline. The problems face the NFT market have been long existed, and Blur has just revealed it. The NFT market is weak even with sell-offs. However, with Blur boosting the liquidity in the NFT market, the sell-offs were accelerated and an upheaval was seen. However, if we take a deep look at the bear market of the NFT track, the real reason lies in the NFT market itself. Blur has just pushed the first domino, then a row of dominoes are fallen. Due to inherent inadequacies, plus the spoiler Blur, a number of NFT giants including OpenSea have been squeezed, and market liquidity has been greatly improved, which has accelerated a bottom in the NFT market. If we see it from a different angle, we will find out that what the bear market in NFT this time brings about are not all drawbacks, but also opportunities. It has brought a significant reshuffle to the whole market. Time will tell us who is the final winner, and the NFTs survive from the severe competition will be the backbones of NFTs in the future. As a Twitter KOL at 0xfubar said, Blur did not cause NFT to fall abnormally, it just accelerated its evolution. It turns out that the future is downward, and Blur accelerated the process. This will not be the first, and it won't be the last. Instead of complaining, getting angry, or pretending that's not the case, it's better to accept it. Regarding the question of whether the NFT market will rebound or die down, experts have the same opinion. Experts are optimistic and they believe that the rebound will eventually happen, it's only a matter of time. The reason why experts are so confident lies in the law of supply and demand. In a developed information era, digital collection is a segmented wealth. At present, NFT is the best form. It has created a brand new transaction form, which itself has great charm. More importantly, the NFT track is not isolated, it has formed a huge ecology, including developers, investors, game studios and the metaverse. As long as the ecology is still on the rise, NFT is bound to usher in a bull market. Twitter celebrity at Bitfool1 made a prediction that a bottom will be seen in the NFT market around the end of 2023. Then there will be a rebound. NFTs will eventually have its day. But when will it come? Can old-fashioned projects make a comeback? Can new projects seize the opportunity? Let's wait and see.